Family get-togethers mean food, food and lots of food. And today, I'm going to make an Indo-Chinese recipe that I'm sure will please everybody's taste bud. I'm talking about chili paneer. We're using fresh paneer here. These need to be fried with a coating of corn flour on them. In a bowl, take the paneer. I'm preparing the paneer. There's already kadhai filled with oil on low flame. To this paneer, I'm going to add some corn flour, some salt. जब हम बाहर स्ट्रीट्स पे चिली पनीर खाते हैं तो उसमें थोड़ा सा रंग डला होता है. I don't like to do that when I cook at home, so I'm going to add some Kashmiri chili powder. I'm going to quickly mix this. So the paneer cubes have been well coated with corn flour. I'm going to fry them on medium-low till they get nicely golden brown from the outside. So these are nicely fried from the outside. I'm going to take them out on a plate. These fried paneer cubes I'm going to keep aside जब तक मैं बाकी का preparation कर लेती हूँ. So now I'll take some oil or a pan. In this, अदरक, थोड़ा सा लहसुन. Chinese food made the Indian way is incomplete without adrak and लहसुन. To this, I'm going to add onions. Onion को हमने dice किया हुआ है. I'm going to just toss it. This can be done on high heat. To fasten this process, some salt. When we add salt to onions, it cooks faster. The onions have slightly softened. To this, I'll add diced capsicum. I added the capsicums later because I wanted them to retain their bite. So in my attempt to not overcook anything, in goes the paneer. It already smells delicious. I'm going to add some soy sauce and some green chili sauce. अगर आपके पास green chili sauce नहीं है तो आप green chili paste का भी इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं घर पे बना के. And some vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you could squeeze half a lemon. So my dry chili paneer is ready. I have a ton of people to feed and absolutely no complaints about it. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe.
Hello and welcome to The Foodie. You're watching the Healthy Binge series and I am Sid Khullar. Today we're going to make paneer two ways. One in a wrap, one in a sandwich. Let's get started. Most of us love our paneer tikka, lekin it's a sort of dish to hum bahar jaake khate hain. So today we're going to make it at home. It uses very little oil, mostly yogurt, fresh vegetables, a few spices, and it'll be done before you know it. So here we are, ready to begin. The first step, I'm going to mix a bunch of spices into the dahi. सबसे पहले धनिया पाउडर, उसके बाद लाल मिर्च और फिर थोड़ी सी हल्दी. अब नमक, and then a little bit of ginger garlic paste. And now mix the whole lot together. You know, some dishes have such a unique aroma fingerprint कि यहाँ पर खड़े-खड़े when I can smell the dahi and the paneer and the spices, automatically मन में पनीर टिक्का ही याद आता है. Now I'm going to put the paneer into the dahi ka mixture. अच्छा, पनीर अंदर आ गया है. Now let's mix the whole lot together, and after that, it's ready to grill. All right, I'm done with this. अब इसको थोड़ी देर बैठने देंगे, 5-7 मिनट. उसके बाद we'll fire up the pan and grill some paneer. My pan is heated up and I'm going to put some oil on it now. इसके लिए हमको ज़्यादा तेल की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस थोड़ा सा चाहिए. So I'm going to use a brush and brush the pan with the oil. And let's put the paneer onto the pan now. These are done from one side. थोड़ा सा जलना ना अच्छा होता है. It smells lovely. It tastes very interesting. And grilled dahi tastes a lot like cheese. Just one side is enough to get that slightly char grilled smoky sa flavor. More than enough. All right. Time for us to char grill some veggies. What we just did was to burn a little oil and to cook the vegetables at really high heat ताकि वो smoky flavor आ जाए, थोड़ा सा char grilled सा लगे, and it'll taste beautiful along with our paneer tikka inside a sandwich or a roll. और अब बनाते हैं a roll. This is a normal गेहूं की रोटी, nothing great about it. It's just that it needs to be slightly big ताकि wrap आराम से ना roll हो जाए. So first I'm going to put some grilled vegetables here. अब इसके साथ हम लेंगे थोड़े से कच्चे वेजिटेबल्स, हल्का सा टमाटर फॉर सम जूसीनेस. अब बारी है पनीर की. A bit of paneer there and some there and some there. अब यहाँ पर थोड़ा सा कोरिएंडर. Press it back like this. थोड़ा दबा दीजिए और फिर इसको टाइट रख के ऐसे रोल. And there we are. Now this is paneer tikka two ways. Ek way was the wrap. The second one is a sandwich which we're going to make right now. Just as we did the first time, even with this one, we're going to start with putting the grilled vegetables first. Ab let's put some of this paneer on that. Now we'll fill the gaps in between with some of these raw vegetables. Thoda sa pyaz, thoda sa tomato. Then cover the top. And there you have it, paneer tikka two ways. Stuff it in a sandwich or put it into a wrap. Your call. Either way, it's just as delicious and your family is going to love them just as much. I hope you enjoy this.
Today, my friends are coming over for dinner and some of them are vegetarians. So I'm going to make their favorite recipe, which is Shahi Paneer. Let's get to it. In my hot kadai, I'm going to add some ghee. One of the Shahi ingredients that you must use. I'm going to put in some ginger. Cook it a bit. Put in some chopped onions. Some fresh green chilies. Give it a good stir. As you can see here in my pan, that my onions are not finely chopped. That is because eventually we are going to make a puree out of it, so this will all go. Now, I am going to add some black cardamom and we are going to cook it well. Now, our onions have been cooked very beautifully. I am going to add some freshly chopped tomatoes. Now, the gravy is the hero of this dish. To make it look perfect, to make it taste perfect, we have to add the right kind of tomatoes. They have to be very ripe, very red and fresh. And now to this gravy, I am going to put in some curd. Give it a good mix. Now, I am going to cover it for about 4 minutes and let it get cooked up and then puree it to make it into a beautiful paste. Now, as you can see, मेरी bowl में ये बहुत ही beautiful color का puree ready हो गया है. If you think that your puree is not very consistent, आप उसको strain भी कर सकते हैं. I am going to now get to making the gravy of the Shahi Paneer. इस pan में मैं थोड़ा घी ले लूँगा. And now I will put in all this puree into the pan. It will immediately start bubbling because the ghee will be hot. We are going to give it a good stir. And now I am going to add in some Kashmiri red chili powder, some garam masala. I am going to let the masala get mixed up and अच्छी तरीके से हम इसको cook कर लेंगे. Should take about 30 seconds. And now I will put in some tomato puree. I am going to mix it up well, and now I am going to season it with some salt. Once the tomato puree and the gravy has gotten mixed up well, I will pour in some milk. Give it a good stir. The consistency of this gravy is totally in your hands. आप जितना milk डालेंगे वो उतना पतला या उतना गाढ़ा हो सकता है. We have to keep it just right, the way it is in my pan right now. Not too thin, not too thick. Our Shahi Paneer gravy is now ready. We are going to put in some fresh paneer. Once the paneer is in our gravy, make sure you don't overmix it because we don't want our soft fresh paneer to break. Okay, now that our Shahi Paneer is ready, let's taste it. I hope my friends love it too.